Hi there, I'm Mike Martoni. I own Jack the Dipper, and what I want to talk about today is a little bit about our history and some of the things that we do. Jack the Dipper, as you may or may not know, is a Western North Carolina staple. We've been around since 1976, started originally in Cullowhee on the river. Then we moved to Silva, and we moved to Waynesville, and now we're here in Franklin. And we're happy to be here in Franklin, and we hope to see you here as well. Just so you know where we are, we're on 1024 Georgia Road in Franklin. Right behind the factory, we have our own entrance and a beautiful environment for you to enjoy your ice cream. Now, Jack the Dipper serves 32 flavors of Hershey's ice cream. It's a unique ice cream because you can't buy that Hershey's in the grocery store, only you can get it here. And the other unique part about Jack the Dipper is our warm waffle cones. When you come in and order your ice cream, we'll make your waffle cone to order, and we're going to put your ice cream in a warm waffle cone right there. And when you walk into the store, all you're going to enjoy is the beautiful aroma of those waffles cooking. Now, some of the most important things that we enjoy at Jack the Dipper is not just selling ice cream, it's getting engaged in our community. One of the many things that we do is we really hope for and promote fundraisers. We really want to give back to our community by having you hold your fundraiser for your school or for your nonprofit, and do that here. Enjoy the ice cream. People will come in and enjoy the ice cream, and we'll give you 10% of our day's sales, the whole day, back to your nonprofit or your organization. We really enjoy doing that, and we encourage you to call us and go to our website, jackthedipper.com, and see how you can actually get engaged with that. One of the great things we do in the month of July, which is National Ice Cream Month, is on the 4th of July, we do our I Pledge project. Now, that project is where any child 12 and under can come in, say the Pledge of Allegiance, and we're going to give them a free ice cream cone. Now, it's a great way to show your loyalty to the country and learn and get the kids engaged in what we do here. We're very excited to do that, and we do it through other days throughout the month of July as well. That's just one way to give back. Let's talk about some of the products that we have here at Jack the Dipper. From pup cups to banana splits, the sundaes, you name it, we've got plenty of different options. One of our great things that we do is a jacked up waffle shake, where you can get a milkshake with a waffle cone all built into one. So there's a lot of options and a lot of things that we can provide to you, from toppings to flavors. It's a great place to come and see and enjoy some of what we have to offer here. We look forward to seeing you here at Jack the Dipper. Remember, in Franklin, we're open 7 days a week. You can see our hours on our website, and you can see all of our locations there as well. Please come by and say hello and get some ice cream.